Have a CBTZ comic book file and need the right reader? These are compressed digital comic archives. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to read these compressed comic book archive files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single CBTZ file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. CBTZ files are compressed comic book archive files combining TR archive format with additional compression, typically gzip. They contain sequential image files representing comic book pages packaged for distribution and reading in dedicated comic book reader applications that handle the archive extraction transparently. CBTZ files use TAR archive format compressed with gzip or similar algorithms storing image files, JPEG PNG or WebP in sequential order, matching the comic book page order. Image file names typically use numeric prefixes, ensuring correct page sequence when comic book readers display the contents in slideshow mode. CDisplayX from CDisplayX should be your first choice when attempting to open CBTZ. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows previews only limited details inside the archive, so full extraction depends on third-party utilities. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the CBTZ file and choose Open With. Use CDisplayX as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. When your CBTZ file does not open, it is usually a small issue. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the CBTZ file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, opening in comic readers. Use comic book reader applications like CDisplayX Comic Rack YAC Reader or Manga Reader. These readers natively support CBTZ format, opening the archive directly to display pages in sequence with reading features like zoom, page navigation, and bookmarks. Most are free for personal use with versions for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Next, renaming for standard tools. Try renaming the CBTZ file to TAR, GZ, or just GZ and extract using standard archive tools like 7-zip or pzip. The extracted folder contains image files that can be viewed in any image viewer or reorganized into a different comic book archive format like CBZ, which uses zip compression. Finally, converting to CBZ format. Convert CBTZ files to the more common CBZ format using comic book management tools like Comic Rack or by manually extracting and repackaging. CBZ uses zip compression, which is more universally supported across comic readers, e-readers, and mobile devices, ensuring broader compatibility for your comic book library. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.